that sounds so much better. Rev it, Dad. Oh my God. Oh my God, that sounds so much better. Have you ever thought about doing a muffler delete on your Coyote Mustang? We're about to find out if it's worth it. All right, so we're gonna do a 0 to 60 pull before the muffler delete. So this is the before, and then we're just gonna cruise around 60 for a while.
All right. We're not racing anyone, so don't go crazy.
At 60.
Got up to 89 at the highest, I think.
89.
And it's steady around 85 right now at 60 miles an hour.
All right, I'm gonna do a little startup and a rev before we drove it, so it's not gonna be a cold start or anything, so it's not gonna be that loud. I'm gonna start it up and rev it. This is the before. It stops at 3K, Dad.
That's fine.
All right, so we finished cutting it, and now we're trying to install it. It's up here, right? Down there.
Yeah.
Probably should- Got it in there.
Shove it in there.
I am trying to.
All right, now get your little rubber. Now you gotta put the
What?
little bracket on there first.
Oh, okay. All right, so this thing is held on by these brackets. I think I'll loosen it. A good thing it looks like it fits so far. Okay, so probably should do this before next time. All right, so
Slide it on there. Probably go get the rubber mallet.
okay.
Okay, see that little mark where it's cut in the new one?
Uh huh.
Do you see? Is there metal all the way?
Yeah, I know. I can see pipes, so I gotta keep going.
Yeah, you gotta go until you can't see anymore.
I still see some. Oh no, that's the mark.
Oh, okay, let's see how it looks. Is it straight back here?
I think it might be a bit. Is that maybe a bit more?
Yeah, hammer it a bit more.
Fantastic.
All right, we're halfway done. Just at idle.
And bring it over to the other one. Oh wow, do you hear that?
Yeah, it's definitely got a deeper,
Oh my, that sounds good. That sounds amazing.
got a deeper rumble, that's for sure. It's not
I'm glad I bought
too much louder actually, but it sounds deeper.
Yeah, no, that's good though. That's what I wanted. Does that look good?
Yeah, but you're way too far. There you go, that should be good.
Yes.
All right, now go in a little bit further because you're,
Oh, my ears.
yeah, and you're, hold on, let me make sure the other, yep.
All right, do I start here?
Yep, we're good.
Okay. God, that sounds so much better. Rev it, Dad. Oh my God. Oh my God, that sounds so much better. Oh my God. That is crazy. That sounds incredible.
It sounds like the KR.
So good. Oh my God.
All right.
Oh my God.
Give me your decimal meter thing.
Hold on. Hold on. I'm about to rev it. Oh.
Hold on. Let me see what it sounds like at idle.
Oh my God, that sounds so good.
It's basically the same. Hold on.
It doesn't sound louder at idle, it just sounds better.
Yeah, it doesn't sound louder. It just sounds much deeper.
Much better, much better.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Go ahead,
No
rev
rev?
it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on. Why is it's locking out at 3 again?
All right, that's good. It's definitely louder when you rev it up.
It's a lot louder. Oh my God.
All right, that's good.
Yeah, I know it is. Oh wow. Oh,
That sounds way better.
that sounds incredible.
I told you.
Yo, this sounds better than the 3000 exhaust, like the Corsas and stuff. Like actually, because they don't got the rumble, they're just loud.
Yep.
It
It
just
sounds
sounds like
awesome.
the high end the whole time, but the low end, oh wow.
It's nice and deep.
Yeah, that was the best $250 I ever spent. Oh, do you hear that? Oh, no, I gotta do the windows down for a minute. Oh. God, that sounds good, doesn't it? Oh, wow. That's a drone at 1K, 2K. That's not bad.
Oh, it actually sounds good. Hold on. I gotta put my seatbelt on.
Yeah. Dang, this thing sounds good. Oh my God. Oh, should we pick up Brina? So do a little riff for her?
I don't care.
Just a little song?
This is about to be so good.
You ready?
It's about to be so funny.
Hey, Brina! Guess what, Brina? Hey, listen up. Listen, you ready? Yeah, it sounds normal, right? Hold on.
Yeah.
All right.
Wow, that's cool. That's
Yeah,
nice.
new exhaust. That sounds good. Okay. All right. This is the after. Took about like maybe
Now,
20.
the other way.
Oh, the other way? Okay. Took about
Yeah.
like 20 minutes to do it. It's really easy. I'll wait for this traffic.
Now, don't go crazy.
I'm not going to. I'm gonna do the same thing I did the second time. Oh, the idle just can't hear it because of the traffic, but
I can still hear the original sound. I can still
yeah, that's the engine.
All right, get it. Is that 60?
Yeah, that's 60.
60 in 6th gear.
60 in 6th gear is pretty terrible drone, but besides
Put
that,
it back in 6th gear. That's what we're doing the test for. Is that 60?
yeah, it's 60.
Oh, that's terrible.
Once you get to 70, it's not bad
Yeah. What RPMs is that in 6th gear?
though. 1.7.
So 1700 RPMs.
Yeah.
Are you on the gas?
No, I'm not. That's on gas.
Yeah. So below 2000 RPMs,
There's gonna be drone, but
a terrible drone. But
well, actually,
everywhere
like,
else sounds awesome.
1.5 to 2, just like that little like 500 RPM. That's a terrible
Well,
drone.
we're cruising at 60, right?
But, yeah, but I have no gas. We're at 60 though.
All right.
If I give it gas, right at 60, that's where it gets bad. And then 65, it starts to go away, and then 70 is gone. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's all right though. Pros outweigh the cons.
the window's down, it doesn't sound too bad. It's mostly wind noise. So was it worth it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. All right, so Dad's gonna do a flyby so I can hear it. Here, Brock, I want you to record on mine.
Snapchat.
Woo! I'm recording. Woo! Oh my! That sounds so good. Wait for him to come back. Hold on. Oh! Oh my! Rev it! Oh my! Oh, the downshift! Oh, that sounds so good, bro. That sounds so good. What do you think, Rock?
Oh my god.
That sounds so much better, right?
Yeah.
Sounds like a proper. And then just like that, it's silent. Oh. Yeah, go. Wow. Second hit.
Oh, there's a demon.
That sounds so good. Did you hear that pop? Oh my god.
Yeah, that was your water bottle.
Oh. Actually sounds like a